Imagine you are in a courtroom, ready to present your side of the story. You have documents, photos, or even a witness who can speak to what happened. But how does a judge decide if all this important information can actually be used in your case? At its core, evidence is admissible to a judge if it is both relevant to the case and properly authenticated. This means the information must have a logical connection to the issues being decided, and you must be able to prove that it is what you claim it is. If these two fundamental criteria are met, the evidence stands a good chance of being heard, unless other specific rules prevent its admission. The why behind these rules is crucial for ensuring a fair trial. Relevance means the evidence helps prove or disprove a significant fact. For example, a photo of a car accident is relevant to a car accident case. Authentication, on the other hand, proves the evidence's genuineness. You must show the photo is actually of the accident in question, perhaps through witness testimony. Beyond these, courts have exclusionary rules to keep out unreliable or unfairly prejudicial information. A common one is the hearsay rule, which generally bars out-of-court statements offered to prove the truth of the matter asserted, because the person who made the statement cannot be cross-examined in court. Other rules protect privileged communications, like those between a doctor and patient, or exclude evidence that might be highly prejudicial without offering much factual insight. To get evidence admitted, parties must follow a specific process. This usually involves formally offering the evidence during a hearing or trial, and then laying a foundation for its admission. Laying a foundation means presenting testimony or other proof that establishes the evidence's relevance and authenticity. The opposing side then has an opportunity to object if they believe the evidence does not meet the rules for admissibility. The judge, acting as the gatekeeper, then decides whether the evidence can be presented to the jury or considered in a bench trial. An important concept you often hear lawyers discuss is laying a proper foundation. This is not just a legal phrase, it is the essential step where you show the judge how your evidence fits the rules. For a document, this could mean having a witness testify that they created it, recognize it, and that it has not been altered. For a photograph, it might involve someone stating they were present when the photo was taken, that it fairly and accurately depicts the scene, and when it was taken. This careful groundwork is what transforms raw information into legally recognized evidence. Understanding these rules empowers you to see how legal decisions are built on a foundation of carefully vetted information. By requiring evidence to be relevant, authenticated, and free from common legal pitfalls like hearsay or undue prejudice, the court system aims to ensure that every judgment is based on reliable and pertinent facts, leading to a just and accurate outcome for everyone involved.